Super.com isn't for everyone, but if you're a frequent traveler, you might buy a pack with plenty of deals on travel and hotel bookings. Sounds promising, right? But here's the big question. Is Super.com actually legit, or is it another online platform to steer clear of? In this video, I'll break down everything I've learned about Super.com, including what it offers, how it works, and whether it's worth your time. This site promises a lot, but let's be real, it can be a bit overwhelming. So stick around, because by the end of this review, you'll know exactly what to expect before you dive in. Let's get started. So what exactly is Super.com and what does it offer? Well, first, Super.com is essentially a cashback site, but it has a little bit of a twist. It offers several other ways to earn rewards, and yes, it's legit. You can actually earn from it. However, as I mentioned earlier, it can feel a bit overwhelming at first due to the sheer number of features that it's going to provide. So to figure out if Super.com is right for you, it's important to essentially understand how you can earn rewards. And that's what I want to do today. Let's break it down by the different earning opportunities that the site offers, starting with the simplest option and working our way up. So option 1, travel bookings. This is the only earning opportunity available to free members. If you sign up, you can use Super.com to book flights and hotel accommodations and earn booking credits as a reward. These credits can be used later, and I'll explain more about that in a bit. It's a simple process. You just have to book your travel through Super.com and earn a small reward in return. Then there's option 2, there's cashback offers. Now, this is where things get interesting for Super Plus members, those people are going to be paying a $15 a month fee. And as a Super member, you're going to gain access to cashback offers. And to take advantage of this, you need to log into the dashboard or the mobile app. You're going to browse those available stores, and then you're going to select an offer that best suits you. When you shop through Super.com, your purchase is going to be tracked and you'll earn cash back. Typically, it's going to be in a percentage of what you spend. So just remember, the cash back won't appear in your account immediately. You'll need to wait until that refund period clears before it credits. Option 3 are the paid surveys. So another way for Super Plus members to earn is by answering surveys. Now, the number of available surveys is limited. They do offer decent rewards. The catch is that you won't always qualify for every survey. It's a process of essentially trial and error, but if you're patient, it can be a worthwhile way to earn extra rewards. Option 4 is playing games. If you're into mobile gaming, this might appeal to you. Super Plus members, they can earn rewards by completing missions in certain games. Most missions are free to complete, though the rewards tend to be rather small. So you're definitely going to want to be cautious about missions requiring in-game purchases. However, they do offer higher rewards, but can eat into your earnings. Option 5 are cash advances. This is a unique feature where Super.com lets you borrow $20 to up to $250 through their Super.com card, which works just like a credit card or a debit card. Now, while it's not exactly an earning opportunity, it can serve as an emergency fund if needed. So just remember, you'll need to repay your borrowed money according to their terms. All right, option 6 is savings on gas and shopping. This is the last one we're going to talk about. So Super.com offers rewards for using their card to pay for gas or in-store purchases. So think of it as maybe a credit card cashback program. While I couldn't test this feature directly, it's another way Super.com claims to help you save. So those are the main ways to earn with Super.com. In the next part of this video, I'm going to dive into the pros and cons of each option, as well as what you can do with your rewards. So how do you get paid with Super.com? Super.com's payout system is honestly, it's one of the more confusing aspects of the platform, I would say. Your rewards aren't pulled into a single account, but they're divided into booking credits. Super.com card cashback, promo bonuses, and app rewards. So here's why all this matters. Booking credits can only be used for hotel and travel bookings. The other reward types are linked to the Super.com card, which is their proprietary card or debit card, whatever you want to call it. Unlike other cashback platforms where you can withdraw funds maybe directly to PayPal or a bank account, you're required to use their card to access your earnings. While this card works like a standard credit or debit card for purchases, it effectively is gonna essentially forces you into their ecosystem. For those of you who prefer cash payouts, this is a significant limitation for you. So how much can you make? Let's get realistic about earning potential. If you stick to the free membership, your earnings are minimal, I'm gonna say, unless you're regularly booking travel accommodations. The $15 monthly fee we talked about, it does create a barrier. You'll need to actively use the platform and take advantage of multiple earning opportunities just to break even, let alone profit. So I personally find these pay to earn models essentially pretty risky. If life gets busy and you're not actively participating, you'll lose money instead of gaining rewards. Now, platforms with free opportunities, in my opinion, are a safer bet for most people. So you're gonna need to use your best judgment in this. When it comes to mobile usability, the Super.com mobile app is available for both Android and iOS, which makes earnings much more convenient. And the app essentially is gonna mirror the web version's functionality. So you can browse offers, you can complete surveys, you can play games on the go with your phone. If you plan on using this platform, the app is essential for maximizing opportunities, especially for those gaining missions we talked about. The highlight though is that it is user-friendly, which is definitely key. I never know who's watching this video, so let's talk about who can join. Super.com is only available to US residents, so if you're outside the US, you're not going to be able to do that. To sign up, you'll need a mobile number for verification. And while the free membership is optional, gaining access to most features requires upgrading to that Super Plus for that $15 per month fee. Just a little bit about customer support that we found. Super.com offers decent customer service with a 24/7 chat feature accessible through the dashboard. However, specific support for Super Plus and payment related issues is only available during limited weekday hours. So this could definitely be rather inconvenient if you encounter issues outside their support window. All right, let's start to wrap this all up. Let's go over some pros and cons that we talked about today. And as we did some research, the pros first are the travel deals. The platform provides discounts and rewards for frequent travelers. The user-friendly app, the mobile app, makes it easy to access opportunities on the go. So those are the really big pros that we saw as we were reviewing this app. When it comes to the cons, the confusing payout system that I mentioned, rewards are sort of fragmented and tied to their proprietary card. Second con is the paywall for features. Most earning opportunities are locked behind the $15 a month Super Plus membership. There's no direct withdrawal to cash services, things like PayPal. So is Super.com worth it? That really depends on your goals. If you're someone who travels often and can make good use of the booking credits, it might be a valuable tool to you. However, if your primary aim is to earn or to save money, Super.com has too many limitations in my opinion. Of course, the pay to access model means you must stay active to really see any profit. And that confusing payout system forces you to use their credit card. For many people, these drawbacks are definitely going to outweigh the pros or the benefits. Now remember, there are other options that are similar to this type of services. We've done many reviews on that, so you should definitely go ahead and make sure you check our previous videos out. And a lot of those companies are going to be more available for anyone outside of the US. So that wraps up my review on Super.com. Let us know what you think in the comments. Have you tried it, or do you have any more questions about it? Let me know in those comments below. I definitely would love to hear your thoughts. Also, please don't forget to like this video. That really helps the algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe for more personal finance videos, and I will see you in the next video.